Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome if you're new. Today I am sharing with you my no mess cleaning method in hopes that it inspires or motivates y'all, or also if you do something similar to this then you have a friend in me. But this is also going to be like how to keep a clean house, and it is also my new daily cleaning routine. So this video is going to be super fun because I am taking you from the time I literally get out of the bed until I am done cooking and eating dinner, when the house is officially like done for the day when it comes to cleaning. So I hope you enjoy this method of cleaning and it gives you some inspiration or motivation. Let me know what your cleaning method is or your cleaning routine down below. And also, if you want to try out this method, then I would love for you to give me feedback after you have tested it out yourself. So the first thing I'm going to do is get out of the bed, which it looks a lot easier now that I'm filming it than in reality. It normally takes me about 15 minutes to get actually out of the bed. But I'm going to get out of the bed and I'm going to open the curtains so that I can let some light in here, and it gets my mood in a good mood. I don't know what it is, but sunlight is so healthy for you. So I'm going to open the curtains and then I'm going to make the bed. That is my number one thing that I do every morning. Literally right as I get out of the bed. I don't even go use the bathroom. I will make my bed and then go use the bathroom. That is how serious I am on that. So step one, make the bed.
So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I am feeling alright. Now I got you when I want. So call me out, baby. Together we can go crazy. You and me in the night. I am feeling alright. Now I got you when I want.
So on this day I did not put makeup on, or else I would have showed you that and put all my makeup back. But what I did do is change my dirty clothes into clean clothes. So I am putting these dirty clothes directly into my washing machine, and I'm going to go ahead and start the washing machine because it is already full. I stopped putting my clothes in a dirty laundry basket in the shower tub when I'm not using it, or any hiding place on the floor. I just directly put it in my washing machine. Now if you separate your clothes from your towels and stuff, then this may not work for you, but this works for me because I do not separate those things. And then we're going to move on to the living room. The bedroom is now clean because we did not have any dirty clothes on the floor, and the bathroom is now cleaned up because we did not leave our dirty clothes on the floor. But I'm going to open up the curtains in here and I'm going to light a candle. The next thing I'm going to do is fix that coffee, or whatever your go-go juice is. I know not everybody likes coffee. Some of you like tea or your water and lemon. Whatever it is that you have in the morning to get you going, that is what I do at this time. And then as soon as the washing machine is done, I'm going to go ahead and put these clothes in the dryer. And I'm also going to turn the signal on to let me know when the dryer is done, and I'm going to fold those clothes immediately. So while that's going on, I wanted to share with y'all why I created this method. I almost called it the common sense method, but I feel like this is much nicer of approach. So the reason why I did the no mess method is because I would pick up my messes. Y'all have seen my videos, my messy clean with me's, and by the time I was done picking up everything that didn't belong where it was, or washing dishes or doing laundry, I would be tired and I would not want to dust, mop, sweep, even take the trash out. I wouldn't want to take care of my home outside of picking up after myself because I was already so tired from having all of that mess accumulate over a couple of days that I just didn't want to do the regular house cleaning and keeping up of the house itself, the building. So all of those surfaces, the windows, the carpets, all of those would be neglected because I was tired. And I feel like this method has helped me so much over the past week. Y'all have seen videos of me picking up mess, but remember that I pre-record videos. So this past week, I have done my best to keep up with this method, and my house has stayed clean for 4 days, y'all. 4 days. And yes, I do dust while I'm in the dryer. I keep my little dusting wand in there so I don't have to worry about it. After an hour, my dryer buzz went off, so I'm gonna go ahead and fold these clothes, and then instead, like I used to, put them in a basket and just let them stay there for a couple of days until I wanted to fold them or put them away. I'm just telling on myself here because I know it's gonna help somebody out. I have now started to fold the clothes right here at the dryer as soon as I take them out of it, and then I will go around the house with this basket and put all of the items where they're intended to go. Alright, so while I'm doing this, today is June 5th, and I did tell y'all in the last remodel video that I was doing a 5K giveaway. And the winner of that 5K giveaway was randomly picked from the comment picker website. And all you had to do, I looked up the word grateful to make sure that the person that was winning did leave the reason what they are grateful for. That was the only request I gave y'all. And the winner of that is Southwestern Sue, and she said that she's grateful for her family that love and support her unconditionally. And I love that comment. So I'm so excited that you won this, Sue. You are getting a $50 e-gift card. It is a Visa gift card, so please email me or send me a message on Instagram if you haven't already, so I can get that out to you as soon as possible. I'll just email it to you and you can use it, I think, just about anywhere. That's why I wanted to do a Visa gift card, because it's similar to a just regular debit card. So still folding clothes here, but I'm super excited. When we hit 10,000 of you that are watching, I will do another giveaway, and that one will be a $100 e-gift card giveaway. So tell your friends, all that stuff, get people to subscribe. That way you can have a chance to win the next giveaway. So I'm going to continue doing these giveaways in the like 5,000 mark. And each time I will just increase the price by whatever the number is. So if we have 100,000 subscribers, I'll do a $1,000 giveaway. Whoa. So yeah, definitely subscribe if you are new or you have been watching for a while. Go ahead and do that. That way you don't miss out when those what do you even call those, milestones happen. And we're growing very quickly. Y'all are amazing. It just means so much to me every time that one of you say in the comments that you are new here. I just want to welcome you every time you tell me that, because it does mean literally everything to me when it comes to this YouTube channel. The more of you that I can help impact, the better off, you know, everything. I try to be positive, y'all, so the more of you I can share my positivity with, I think it just snowballs and has an effect. And you are also positive to other people. It's just a wonderful thing. So we're in the kitchen now. I rambled long enough and you saw me put up all the clothes and everything. So I'm not cooking dinner just yet. Y'all will see me do that, but I did have some times in between. But I am going to go ahead and get dinner started. I am making kickin' chicken and I'm going to bake it. And so I just did 2 things of aluminum foil. That way, when I'm done with my cooking, I could easily put the leftover chicken in a little, you know, Tupperware, and then I can just throw away that aluminum foil and then wipe down the pan for a really easy cleanup. But y'all are gonna see me. I am, every time I cook something or I get something out, as soon as I am done with it, I'm going to pick it up, clean it, and then if it has somewhere that it's supposed to go, like this coffee cup, I'm going to dry it and then go ahead and put it in the cabinet. That way it doesn't look like that was ever in the room, and then if I feel inspired to dust or mop or sweep or do anything like that throughout the rest of the day, I can do that, and I don't have to worry about, oh, I need to do my dishes first and then I'm going to be tired and then I forget to sweep and mop. Like, am I the only one that feels this way? Please let me know in the comments down below.
Tearing things to bits and pieces, but I haven't won until you are whole again. Lay down your weapons, I'll do the same. Let us just for a minute lay off the stupid game. I'll be your safe house, I'll face your fears. Promise you will do better. Lay down your weapons, lay down your weapons, dear. Sun is setting fast now, soon we're out of light. Soon this might turn into yet another fight.
Alright, so as you can see, every time I use something, I'm going to go ahead right then and there, clean it up. That is the whole basis of this no mess cleaning method, is that as soon as we use something, we put it away. Now, this may not work for everyone, and I completely understand that, but it is working for myself. So if you're someone that is just like a couple, or your kids are out of the house, then this will probably work for you. If you are not and you do have young children in the house, obviously if they're old enough to help you clean out, that's wonderful, but I understand that there are cases where this is not the most realistic way of cleaning. So if that is you, I completely understand, and I just want y'all to know that this is what works for me. But if it does not work for you, then you continue doing whatever you're doing in your house, because your house is your haven and you get to decide what you do in your own house. So I just wanted to make this video in the case that it may help someone else, or I guess just make myself look silly for not doing this before, because this has just helped out so much. Like I said earlier in the video, like, the house is literally clean, y'all. It's 4:50. It is felt clean all day. Like, I don't even feel like I've actually had to clean today, because I didn't have to take like a set time and say, okay, I'm gonna clean for 1 hour. And the funny thing is, I did clean for 57 minutes total today. That's how long this video was before I edited it down, and it didn't even feel like it. Like, there was a lot of times throughout the day where I was just able to do my own thing. I didn't have to clean or cook or anything like that. It felt like a somewhat of like a chore, and it's just a really good feeling. So I don't know, I hope that if some of you do try this out, that you like it, and let me know just how it works for you, and if you think there's anything that you would adjust, like, let me know how you would adjust it. But I'm just wiping down this casserole dish. I double layered it with the aluminum foil, so there was literally no leakage or anything from the chicken, which was really nice. And then we're going to go ahead and wash up this pot that I cooked the mashed potatoes in and put it away. Y'all, it is now 3 o'clock. We still have a good part of the day left, but I was sitting there, so that's my blanket. But the living room, still clean. That's Chloe's blanket and Chloe right there. Kitchen, clean. And there's my food. For the sake of this video, I did paper plate. Alright, my camera cut off. Wouldn't you know? So yes, kitchen is clean. I just got done eating, so I went ahead and threw away my plate, washed my fork, and put it in there. And I'll just take y'all back here too. So there's the empty laundry basket right there. There's where I've been putting all my dirty washcloths after I'm done using them. There's the bedroom, still looking clean. So this really worked out for me, y'all, and I hope that it just helps you out if you needed some ideas or just motivation, really. If all this was just some motivation for you to get up and pick up things after you're done using them, then I did my job. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully I don't have ranch on my face. And yeah, I'll see you back here. Trying to think. Monday. I'll see you back here Monday, and that will be probably a really long video because I am going to be getting groceries. We may cook in that video. We're going to clean in that video. So lots of fun stuff in that video. So look out for that. And I will see y'all then. Bye.
We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do.